Hey guys, we are doing another mod review. We are doing the April Fool's mod. Now I'm gonna do this in creative so I can live, because it could kill you in survival. Yeah, I'm really sure it could kill you in survival. So how this works? Oh crap, it's laggy. Okay, wait. Let me do some. Oh yeah, and guys, please subscribe to me. I really appreciate it. So you get a coffee table, chest, and it's super important. Look, when you open the chest, here's the clones! Millions and millions of clones! Millions of Steves. Right, imagine you have a skin of Jordan and you didn't even know, and then you just April Fools, like if you punch them, it's April Fools. You suck! Oh snap, it is so laggy. Oh snap! So when you touch a crafting table, it will launch you into the air. Touch. Touch. Should launch right. Oh! I could see my tiny little clone. Ow! How about the furnace? The clown. Oh. You want to do that? Ah, this is so laggy. That's all I know about the April Fools. So I know this was a short video. Sorry about that. Now please subscribe and join Team Reyes. Yeah, thank you. Thank you guys for watching. And seriously, these clones make it even much more laggy. Here, at least you have friends. Look, he's staring at my name. They stare at your name all day. All day long. All day long. So, sorry about the short video, guys. That was the April Fool's mod. Thank you for watching, and I hope you liked this video. Bye!